Hello everyone and welcome back. First of all, please like the video, subscribe the channel and share as much as you can. So guys, our today's topic is about how to handle images in Selenium Webdriver. We can say handle or we can say click, both the things. So basically there are two type of image. Let me show you this with an example. So I have used two websites, spicejet.com and makemytrip.com, to show the today's examples. Okay okay so the first type of image is image link. The image start with a tag, and the second type is images with image tag itself, that are image button as well, we can say. So let me show you this with an example. So this is a image. Right click and we can check this as an inspect element. So this is starting with a tag, okay, like I have mentioned it here. So this is a image click. If we will click on this image, it will reload the page, and same will going to happen in make my trip as well, but here they are using image tag instead of a. Okay, the image tag is here. Okay, so this is a kind of image button. We have an image here, so we have to click on this image. Again it will load the same page again, because again because in a tag the class defined is this one only, so it will reload the page. But here we have to click on image, and here we have to click on this href tag, the page tag. Okay, the link. So these are the two basic type of images that we have to handle in Selenium WebDrivers. So let's just see guys. Let us create a class first. Selenium picture sample. Let me copy this. I have changed the path. Yes, it's here now. Okay, so let's just give me some wait here for 5 seconds. Okay, guys, all the things will going to remain the same. Like if we have this logo here, okay, on a link, then we are going to fetch this as we used to fetch our link earlier. Okay, so we can use text here, we can use class here, we have a class here, so we can use this. So I am going to use that. Okay, driver dot find element using class name. Okay, so we have a class name here. Let's just load me this. Go to the link and just click on it. Okay, as the thing we are doing usually. So let me just print this. successfully clicked on link. Okay, the image link. Okay, right click, run, and let's just put me a wait here as well for 2 seconds, and here for 2 seconds again. Guys, I will let you know the implicit wait and explicit wait thing in the further videos. So just run it. Okay, first it will load the spicejet.com, and yes, after that wait. Okay, yeah, it clicked on that and load that again, and it will print that message as well, successfully clicked on image link. So this is the way in which you are going to handle image with link. Okay, image with link. The link we can find with the tag name started from A. Okay, I have mentioned this here as well. I'm going to put this in description as well. Okay, after that, now we'll check that how to handle an image with tag name img. Okay, so we have an example here on make my trip logo. They are using the link, but here we have to click on image and not on link only. Okay, so how we can achieve this? So this is the main part, guys. So let me just come here and okay, now we have to move on makemytrip.com, this website here. Okay, so let me just put a sleep of 2 seconds here, 5 seconds here, and yes, after reaching here, let me just web element get image click. Okay, so here do we have anything? So here we do not have anything. Okay, guys, image src or alt, so we can't use anything from here. So we have to go and check if there is anything. So there the class is here, but still we can't be dependent upon that one as well. So let me just check this and check for the parent of this. Okay, so we have a ID here, guys. Okay, let me just show you. This is the parent tag. Okay, so if I will click on this one, okay, so it will hold all the things. Let me again click on this one. So it contain this div, which contain the div which we were expecting. Okay, okay, so this will contain div here, the class, the landing container class. After that we have a div here, and then the a tag, and after that image. So this is going to be a parent child relationship, guys. So we have to fetch XPath or CSS, whatever, with the help of using parent child relationship. So that is why I am going to teach you this, because we have not handled any XPath or CSS using parent child relationship. So but here we are going to do the same. We have Okay, so let me just create this and I will just show you after that. So we have a div here with, sorry, we have a, let's just div here with id is equal to sw. Here it is. Okay, sw, and after that here we have this div. Okay, the second child div, the second child. After that we have a div here, the first child of that. So just mention that if it's a first child or second child like this, and after that we have a tag, and that is again a first child. After that we have image tag and first child again. Okay, so again let me check this. The one which we have created is a correct one or not? So do you remember, guys, the syntax with the help of which you can find? Okay, if I have, yeah, I have it here, I guess, the syntax, the tag name, the attribute, everything I have explained in my earlier videos, guys. If you haven't watched, please watch in locators video, the locators tutorial video. I have mentioned it there as well. Okay, so how to create a XPath and also how to check the XPath is correct or not. Here it is. Okay, also we can check this using CrowPath plugin. So I have mentioned that in my video as well. I'm going to use that to make my life a bit easier. CrowPath. Okay, yes, we have one matching element here. Yes, here it is. So let me show you how I have created this again. So guys, if we will check, we do not have any ID or anything with the help of which we can create the XPath, or we can pick class or ID or name from here. So we will check the nearest one, the parent one. Okay, so here is the parent which have a unique ID SW. Okay, the parent ID SW have the second child as a div with a class landing container. So we don't need to mention the class here, we just need to mention that this is a second child, like I did here. Okay, so first of all it will check that if they have any div with ID SW. After that we'll go to second child and we'll check for its first child, and so on up to till it will get the image. Okay, so just let me check you this, it will work in a correct way. Get, when we'll use this, click. Okay, click it here and just again wait for 2 more seconds and let me print successfully clicked on image. Now successfully clicked on image button at make my trip. So just to differentiate. Okay, so let me just run this and show you how it will work. Okay, first it will check for the spicejet.com and just click there. Okay, it is still loading, and after that, yes, it clicked and it start reloading again. Okay, just note that, guys. After that, make my trip, it loaded successfully, and after that it will click here as well. Yes, here it is. So it will print. After that, successfully clicked on image button at make my trip successfully. So that's it, guys. In this video we have learned about the concept of not only how to handle or click on image using Selenium Webdriver, but also get to know about how to use parent-child relationship to find XPath or CSS. Guys, for CSS also the thing will going to remain the same. The only difference is with the syntax, which again I have already mentioned in my locators video. So in upcoming videos I am going to cover these topics. So just stay tuned, and again please like the video, subscribe the channel and share as much as you can. Thank you so much, guys.